Our closeout bats, testing out the MLB Prime C271 cut. What do you like about that one?
Very, very balanced. Ball flies off the bat. Solid feel. Get through the zone real quick with this bat. And I really like it.